so she went through multiple point of sale systems to find the correct one, and she got in touch with RepairDesk and was super happy with what they could offer. My name's Darren. I've been owner of Cyco for 9 years now. We're a small bike shop in Oakland, New Zealand. Previously we were using Vend, which became Lightspeed, which functionality wasn't that great. It only offered a point of sale system, which wasn't perfect for our store because we do a lot of bike repairs as well, which is the predominant part of the business. We're using it as a point of sale, but we would have to put all the workshop repairs through that. But we were having to double handle because we were using the old school paper repair dockets, so we'd have to write everything manually and then transfer it into the system, which a lot of stuff gets lost along the way doing that. So having everything in one place is super simple. My wife was looking for a new system for us to use, so she took 3 months off her current job to help us with the business, and that was part of her role. So she went through multiple point of sale systems to find the correct one, and she got in touch with RepairDesk and was super happy with what they could offer, and we started the free trial and went from there. I liked the ease of it, the simplicity of having a point of sale and workshop repair tickets all in one place. The purchase history is all in one place, and if there's any issues, RepairDesk is super approachable. You just ask them a question, they'll put up a ticket, and generally they'll get it resolved.